So can you please share your research questions or topic you have already selected? Azizul Haq, your topic is same to Mehdi Hassan, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sharif, brother Sharif, did you select any topic for doing research here in this course?
I have selected, but I didn't find out the hypothesis or the.
No, just share with me. I will give you some idea. Maybe I am not expert in your topic.
Yes, like experimental breeding on experimental experiments on the bone drilling.
On bone.
Bone drilling.
Bone. This one?
Yes.
Bone?
Yes. Yes.
Drilling. So, okay, there are many things is coming. So here is the things you have to identify. So you did not say experiment on bone drilling, fine. With what? Or using which process? Am I right? So
yes.
I don't know what are the available techniques are there. Okay, maybe ultrasound, ultrasonic vibrations. What are the other topics? Like using what we can do?
I'm the experiment on the bone drilling with CNC machine.
CNC machine. That's why if I search for CNC machine, I think many people will also come. Yeah, it is there. So your experiment, what is the purpose of your experiment?
So I will identify the temperature and the force level.
Force level. So here, where you are using force level might be a variable, force level or temperature as well. So I am not expert on the topic what I've selected by Sharif. And I don't know what is CNC machine. I don't know what is, okay, I know what is bone drilling, but I am not expert on this field. Am I right? But I am trying to give you some idea so that you can design your own hypothesis. Am I right? So temperature may be a factor. So also there are different technique on bone drilling using CNC machine. Is there any different machines may have different effect like this? Okay, maybe
yes, I do not know that.
So force level, temperature, okay, they might have effect on the performance of bone drilling, performance of bone drilling. So here force level can be the independent variable, temperature can be the independent variable, and the drilling performance will be the dependent variable. Are you clear?
Thank you.
So thank you. Welcome. Yeah. Junaid Islam, what is your topic, research topic? I think she is not hearing us. So what about Hassan Mohammed? What is your research topic? You have selected, I think, water treatment like this. Water treatment.
I can say the hypothesis: salinity intrusion is the leading cause of the shortage of the groundwater at any place like Potenga.
Okay, what is the term you have pronounced at the beginning?
Salinity intrusion.
Like this. I think this is not correct, but I am trying to. Salinity.
Yes. Number 3.
Sorry, maybe.
Number 3.
Salinity. This is the one. Salinity. Salinity. Intrusion. And it has an effect on.
It's the leading cause of the shortage of groundwater. Groundwater shortage.
Okay, groundwater shortage, or we can say like this: groundwater and then shortage. Because groundwater shortage, these 3 words cannot be in the same place. Maybe you can write like this. So salinity intrusion is the reason for shortage in groundwater, like this. So groundwater shortage. So you have to be careful that when you are selecting the variables, the keywords, you have to we did not identify or indicate the place. That's why it provides in different region like India, also in Bangladesh. Yeah. Okay, good. So Khulna as well. So we can explore from Patenga. So can you, I am asking other person, so identify what are the dependent and independent variables here. Azizul Haq, can you tell me? what is the dependent variable and what is the independent variable here? Ajul Haq, are you here?
Not dependent and independent.
Yeah, it should be dependent or independent, and it should be dependent and independent. Okay, anyone else except Muhammad Hassan? Brother Sharif, can you share with us?
Yes. Groundwater is the independent variable.
Yeah.
And
Okay. Any one of them, shortage or salinity, will be dependent. Am I right?
yes.
Which one?
Shortage.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. We are learning. Can be true or false. So I am requesting Muhammad Hassan now. What will be the correct answer?
In this case, salinity intrusion is the independent variable,
Yeah,
because
independent. Yeah.
there might be a number of causes, that contribute to the shortage.
So cause will be always independent. Cause what is the reason from shortage? This may be one. So this is cause. Yeah.
One.
And what will be the effect?
There might be a number of causes.
Effects.
Yes. Effects are the groundwater shortage or shortage something like
Okay. Yeah. So groundwater, this will be the same, I think, due to salinity, the amount of the groundwater. Okay, yeah. Groundwater quality, or this is different thing, but we are focusing on shortage. Am I right? This is also a variable,
yes.
But we are focusing on shortage. So this will be the dependent variable. I think you are now clear, but we are learning by example. It is good.
Yes.
Am I right? Because if I give you a hypothetical example, or just give you, an example which is not related to you, I think it will be not effective. But right now, I think you are now clear. So what is the cause-effect relationship, and what is the dependent and independent variable? And this is the most important part of defining hypothesis, because if you don't identify what is dependent and what is independent variable, you cannot test it, and you cannot perform experiment or survey or test cases or observation. Am I right? And important thing is that you cannot observe many variables at a time. Okay, you have to observe just one cause, many few effects, or two cause or some effects. You cannot set many variables as independent and other variables as dependent, and then it will become so tough to measure what are the real cause. Understood? So you will not understand what is the reason behind this, performance or the effect. Okay.